Ray White Coffs Harbour are proud to introduce 74 Mastons Road, Karangi. An exceptionally inviting retreat lifestyle beckons from this 14 hectares of undulating acreage, offering a blend of cleared and forested aspect, complemented by ultra-private one-level residence, encircled by a superb wraparound entertainer's veranda, and elevated above the landscape to savour picture postcard mountain and hinterland views. Crisply landscaped front gardens with a restful water feature set the scene for country living of distinction. Displaying a cosy wood-fuel heater, modern air conditioning and high-timbered ceilings with a feature skylight, the expansive sunken family lounge forms the home's show-stopping centrepiece. Dual sets of sliding doors open seamlessly to the beautifully crafted alfresco zone, comprising a flat, grassy immediate yard, an in-ground ozone pool, and an adjacent cabana boasting rustic paved floor, integrated barbecue, and leafy outlooks. Fresh, spacious, and brimming with charm, the gas-equipped kitchen adjoins a dedicated dining room and reveals sleek stone benchtops, a stainless dishwasher, Sally Waddle joinery, and a sunlit easterly aspect. Smart, family-focused design provides 2 built-in children's bedrooms, elegant master quarters with a walk-in robe, and a sparkling spa bathroom appointed with floor-to-ceiling marble tiles, complements with twin shower heads. Fully insulated brick construction, 3 eco-friendly rainwater tanks totalling 100,000 plus litres, solar hot water system, and a 10 kilowatt solar electricity plant. Vast 3-bay shedding with upstairs mezzanine plus an oversized double garage with storage room ensure a wonderfully practical lifestyle with an emphasis on comfort and ease. Conveniently nestled just a 10-minute drive to Coffs Harbour CBD shopping and cafes, only 13 minutes to the airport, and 15 minutes to beaches and Southern Cross University, this quality home is absolutely poised to impress. For further information or to book a viewing, please contact Ray White Coffs Harbour